Hello and welcome to this new video on how to delete Reddit history. So if you are new subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly you need to open the web browser. After that you just need to go to the source bar of the web browser that will be on the top and type Reddit in it and press enter in the keyboard, and when the search result is shown to you, you just need to click on the first search result, that is Reddit. And the interface of the Reddit will be shown to you when you have logged in successfully. And when you are inside this interface, you just need to look into the top right corner. There will be an circular icon or the avatar icon. You just need to click on it, and you just need to look at the bottom of the pop-up box. There is a setting option. Just click on settings and another interface will be shown to you after setting. So when you are inside the settings, you just need to look on the navigation bar. We are currently on the account section. You just need to click on the profile section. And when you are in the profile section, you just need to scroll down a little bit to the bottom, and there is a clear history option, and on the right side of the clear history there is a clear history button. You just need to click on the clear history button and your history will be cleared completely. As you can see here, it says that the delete your post views history. So I have clicked the clear history and my history has been clear or deleted successfully. So this is how you can easily delete Reddit history. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.